terracotta pavers mixed with hexagonal tiles.
Putting in the final few hexagonal.
I just customised a little trowel. So you just keep adding. Clean those off with a sponge in a minute. The trick is to get the cement in without getting it all over the pavers and the wall. So I built a jig stopping the cement making contact with the paver or the wall. I just customised the little trowel so it's the right width, and then we can get a nice smooth finish on it. Filling in the gaps between, fill all the way along. These are our next gaps we're going to fill. We get our jig so you can get a nice smooth finish. So you just keep adding, take a little bit off the next, slowly but surely, and just keep working it till you get it smooth like the other ones are. Get it as clean as possible. You just go through and scrape those off. Now we're going to fill in this with our cement colour.
Close the door and leave the light on. The morning light should be coming soon.
We moved on to finishing off the step. Yeah, so just keep working in all those racks.
Lay your head upon my shoulder. Shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.